Wirtgen 200 HI, 2, 3, 4 inches. I mean, you can hammer through it pretty good. We got the Level Pro system. It's kind of like laser, but you know, it reads off the skis on the shoes. Oh, it's nice. It's got the vac system on there, so it takes dust from right here where you normally get it, puts it on the conveyor, and then with the water puts it in the back of the truck. You got the consoles on both sides, and I like that you can shift from side to side. You never have a blind side. You can go the same direction on every pass.